Hi, I'm Mr. Procco. This series of videos is here to help you, student or teacher, learn how to use the equipment we have up in the Fine and Applied Arts department. We have several machines that are based off of digital design, but help turn your digital projects into physical objects or created artwork. So specifically, we are going to look at the laser cutter, the vinyl cutter, the X-Carve, which is a CNC router, and the 3D printers that we have up here. All of these equipment are used to create, innovate, and design things, and they're all physical machines, but they're all controlled by your digital design and output. So we'll look at the machines themselves, and we'll also look at the design process it takes to be successful creating projects in each of these machines. So right quick, before we jump into the software and digital side of it, a quick overview on these machines and what they're capable of. So right off the bat, we have our full spectrum laser on the screen right now. And you can see that this is a Hobby Series laser cutter with a CO2 laser. It's 12 by 20 inch workspace. It works off of a laser that's guided around and shoots to a focal lens, and that can be commanded to create artwork and projects based off of raster and vector art, which is something we'll get into in the next video. Here's an example of some of the equipment, projects, and designs that have been created with a laser cutter. So you can see that you can make everything from art to small models, all types of things. The next machine I have to look at is the Silver Bullet cutter. It's a vinyl cutter. It can be used to cut, draw, and do a few different things. Essentially, inside of a plotter runs a device such as a small knife or a pen, and that will trace out based on your digital design. These things can be used to create cutouts of paper, cutouts of stickers, etchings, and some types of metals. And all of this design work created can then be outputted this way. So this is the Silver Bullet vinyl cutting machine. The X-Carve is a CNC router. This is essentially a high-speed router that's attached to an arm that goes sort of left, right, forward, back, and up and down. This allows you to make cuts and route out specific shapes. Examples of those projects might be anything from carving out letters and images to potentially even relief sculpting. Here you can see guitar bodies, letters, cutouts, different projects here. Okay. Finally, we have our 3D printers. We have several different kinds of these. Again, this is an additive process where this machine will put down a layer of plastic filament and build it up and up and up until you have the product that you designed. These designs being something that will be created in a 3D generating software. And here is a bunch of objects that were created with 3D printers. So with these machines, you have the capability of creating lots of different prototypes, ideas, and having something that begins as a digital design make its way to an actual physical object. In the next video, I'm going to explain to you the different types of softwares that we'll be using for these machines, and then we'll take it machine by machine and look at what it takes to start a project from beginning and work all the way to a finished product. Thank you.